Learn how to make a vibrant, colorful beaded cord necklace with a handmade cord clasp in this fun and easy tutorial. Perfect for beginners. This step-by-step guide shows you how to create a stylish, no-metal necklace using just cord and beads, great for everyday wear or thoughtful handmade gifts. Let's get started with the first necklace. Grab your colorful beads and cord and follow this fun, easy tutorial. Choose a nylon or waxed cotton cord, strong, medium thickness, flexible and smooth. Perfect for threading through bead holes without fraying or getting stuck during assembly. Cut your desired cord length, leaving extra room for adding beads, and making a secure closure at both ends. Take both ends of the cord, tie them together in a simple overhand knot. After tying a simple overhand knot, leaving a loop large enough for the bead to slide through easily and stay securely when fastened. Take one end of the cord, insert it into the loop, twist it around the loop, then pull it tight close to the knot to secure. Make sure you hold the knot tightly with your fingers while pulling the cord to keep everything secure and in place. Repeat the same process again. Take the end of the cord, twist it around the loop, then pull it tight next to the first twist for a neat finish. Keep adding cord twists evenly around the loop, making sure each one is tight and aligned for a secure and neat finish. Always keep your finger firmly holding the cord knot to maintain tension, and ensure the twists stay tight and in place. Once in a while, check the order of the twist to make sure they stay neat, even, and properly aligned. Keep twisting the cord around the loop multiple times, making sure each wrap is snug and positioned closely to the previous one. You can pull the longest cord gently to adjust and control the size of the closure loop to fit your desired length. Make sure the closure loop is fully filled with the twisted cord, wrapping it tightly and evenly so the loop is secure, sturdy, and holds its shape during wear. Take both ends of the cord, tie them together in a simple overhand knot, and pull tightly to secure. Add the second overhand knot just below the twisted section to lock everything in place and secure the closure loop firmly. Cut the excess cord used for the closure loop close to the final knot. Then apply a small amount of jewelry glue to secure and prevent any unraveling. Let the glue dry completely and set the piece aside for a few hours before you begin stringing the beads. Lay your beads on a flat surface in a well-lit area. Arrange the colorful beads in the pattern or order you prefer before beginning the stringing process. Now we've finished creating the closure clasp for our necklace, making it secure and ready for the next beading steps. Grab the other end of the cord and begin stringing the beads one by one, following the colorful arrangement you laid out earlier for your unique beaded necklace design. Use spacer beads between your main beads to add texture, balance, and enhance the overall design of your necklace. For this design, I'm using 3 colorful spacer beads to add contrast, texture, and a playful pop between the main beads. When stringing beads, I always start from the top of my arranged pattern. This helps me keep the design organized and ensures I follow the exact sequence I planned. Pull the strung beads gently all the way down toward the end where you made the closure loop, keeping the design in place and avoiding any twists or gaps between beads. You can find these colorful beads online through craft stores, marketplaces, or specialty shops that offer a variety of styles and sizes. If you don't find the exact same beads, feel free to use something similar in size, shape, or color to create your own unique version of the necklace. To achieve the same design look, choose base beads around 14 mm in size, and spacer beads approximately 4 mm to maintain balance, structure, and the intended visual impact. Make sure each bead you select has a hole wide enough for the cord to pass through smoothly, allowing for easy stringing without fraying or forcing the cord. You can use a beading needle or wax the end of the cord to help it pass smoothly through each bead. Repeat the same bead pattern by continuing to string your base beads and spacer beads in the same sequence until you reach your desired necklace length and balanced design. After stringing all your beads, add the final bead, preferably a round one at the end. This bead will act as the toggle and be used to secure the closure loop. Take the end of the cord, twist it around the last bead, and tie a simple overhand knot or two to secure it tightly in place for the closure. For a more secure toggle closure, add a few extra knots under the final bead to keep it firmly in place. Cut the excess cord near the final knot, carefully making sure not to damage the closure or loosen the bead. Please be careful with this next step. After cutting the cord, you can seal the knot by either applying jewelry glue or carefully melting the end with a lighter. For safety reasons, it's best to stick with using jewelry glue to seal the knot. It's safer, cleaner, and still provides strong, long-lasting hold for your closure. Your first colorful cord-beaded necklace is now ready to wear. Stylish, handmade, and perfect for adding a personal touch. Let's move on to the next necklace design. We'll be using the same step-by-step process, but with a new combination of colors, beads, and creative layout. For the second necklace, we're going to use beads in different sizes and shapes to create contrast and variety, giving this design a fresh, playful look compared to the first. Keep stringing the beads in your chosen pattern until you reach the desired length for your necklace design. The beads should sit tightly next to each other, with minimal gaps, to create a neat and cohesive necklace design. After stringing all your beads, add the final bead. This bead should be used as the toggle for closure, fitting securely into the loop to fasten the necklace properly. Take the end of the cord, twist it around the last bead to anchor it in place, then tie a simple overhand knot to secure the toggle closure. Add a second knot under the first one to reinforce the closure and ensure the toggle bead stays firmly in place. After tying the final knot securely beneath the toggle bead, carefully cut the excess cord close to the knot without damaging it, keeping your closure neat and professionally finished. Use jewelry glue or carefully melt the knot with a lighter to secure it and prevent the cord from unraveling. Your two beautiful handcrafted necklaces are now ready, each with its own unique charm, vibrant colors, and secure cord-made closure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with more fun and creative jewelry designs.